Uncle Sid has such an illustrious career. He finished it off. He went to Singapore for a project which had just started and he came back. I talked with the Singapore office as well. They're taking the matter quite seriously. In fact, they have mailed the head office too. I just don't get it. How can he waste such a brilliant career like this? He's not in his senses. Uncle, please try and explain to him.
Most probably that won't be possible. I think Siddharth is so engrossed with the family matters he is not able to think for himself. Seriously, Aunt. If Sid brings Mithai to his house, we won't be able to save him. His entire life will be wrecked. You know what, Aunt? I feel very proud of my brother. And I can't see him in this condition.
Look, Mr. Samresh, I was out of the country for quite some time. And so, I don't know much about this. Still, based on what I know, Mithai is completely innocent. And that doesn't seem to be the case. You have suffered a huge loss. You didn't get the insurance claim either. After being granted bail, should Mithai be allowed to live in this house? See, I mean, when the case is under trial, your side will be completely at disadvantage. I mean to say, the person who is being looked on as a suspect for plotting against you, and you guys are keeping her in your house. Is that appropriate, Mr. Samresh? You decide. Look, Mr. Samresh, as we are all your well-wishers, we are saying so much. Else what is it to us? Tess, come, let's go.
Mrs. Roy, please be here for a little bit longer. See, everyone in this family is so emotional that no one is able to see any logic. I'm not saying that Mithai has done this, but there is no proof that Mithai isn't associated with this either. And this just can't be drilled in anyone's head in this house. And I'm most surprised by Siddharth, the guy who wasn't worried about anything but his career. Recently, he has completely stopped thinking about himself. Just see how he's destroying his bright career with his own hands. And if I try to say something, there'll be no end to that. Siddharth respects you a lot, Mrs. Roy. Please try and talk to him and ask him to return to Singapore. And please try and explain that Mithai can't stay in this house as well.
Mom! Aunt! Grandpa! Grandma! Where's everyone?
What happened? What
Why are you
happened?
shouting?
Fast! They are coming! Quick, let's go outside!
But first tell me what's happening. Who called? Rajiv?
Yeah. He said bail has been granted.
Yes!
Come, let's go outside. They're coming.
Let's go.
Dad, I have something to talk to you
All
about.
that can wait, Samresh. Sushma, first let's go to Lord. Lord has been kind to us. Let's
Praying
go.
to him non-stop.
non-stop.
Hey Nanda, get the conch from the temple. Welcome her from the street with the conch. Come, let's go.
Hey, Appa, doesn't it feel like a weight has been lifted off the shoulder? How do I tell you how relieved I am? Hey, Torsha and her mom are here. Mom and Dad seem to have ignored them. I hope there won't be any issue.
Leave it, Sulata. That woman has no problem. She must be here to pollute my brother's mind. And why are you worrying about all this? Mithai is coming. That's the news of the
Mom,
moment.
Aunt, let's go. Come.
Yeah, just coming. Let's go.
Yes, come. After this, what will you even explain? I do need to compliment your neighbors. Else, if they see the family welcoming their daughter-in-law from prison, they are bound to mock your family.
Hey Nanda, what did they say over the phone?
Yes, there was no issue at getting the bail, right? And they are directly coming here, right?
That's what your son-in-law informed me.
Wow. Oppa, what's the matter?
Mithai is returning home. She has been granted bail, we just heard.
There they are.
Hey Nanda, come on, blow the conch,
Yes.
mom darling.
You guys are something else, Lata. There's a limit to making a fuss. Seriously.
Sister Shri, can you please ask Brother Ratul to take me to Jonai? Please. I will be better off if I stay there. Already a lot has happened and stirring something
Did
new.
someone ask for your expert comments, Mithai? Just stop talking. We'll enter the home. You won't go anywhere.
Grandfather's grandson does not understand the gravity of this. I'm not saying this due to the neighbors. Everyone will say this. If I stay in Jonai, it will be better for everyone.
Sulata, why are you not telling them in clear terms that our daughter-in-law will stay at our home?
What are you doing? Why are you saying like this? Just keep quiet. Is there any point in talking to them? Words beget words.
Listen, Deepa and Rutul, weren't you going on your work? Please go on your work. Why are you wasting your time standing over here? Actually, you know what? If we also start thinking just the way you are thinking, life would be very difficult. You have no idea whether Mithai has committed some crime or not. And you are commenting without any knowledge.
Come, Ritul.
Mithai, why are you so embarrassed? Have you done something wrong?
Hey Mithai, we are all with you. And the best part is Siddharth is here.
Sister Shri, please explain this to everyone, please. I don't want to subject anyone to ridicule. Mithai always wants to keep everyone well and happy. No one has ever raised a finger on grandfather's family. But today, just due to Mithai, they can make these comments. No. What if grandfather hears this?
Listen, Mithai, I just can't tolerate all this. There's no point wondering about what the outsiders say. Come on inside. Come.
There is she. Mithai, you have returned. Lord has saved us from so much. My child, those flowers you want to bless her with,
Dad.
please do it.
I have something to talk to you about.
What is it, Samresh? Let Mithai enter the house properly. The girl has suffered so much last 2 days.
May Lord help you prosper, Mithai.
Grandmother, you are welcoming Mithai in your house like this? Really? I'm so lucky.
Dad, I've been telling you for so long that I want to talk to you, but you're not listening to me. Fine, then I need to say it out publicly. Ask your elder grandson to leave Mithai with her mom in Janai for a few days.
What?
I should I elaborate, uncle? Mithai is just out on bail. I mean, the police still haven't withdrawn the charges against her. And when the case is on trial, the police will present Mithai as an accused. And the culprit, the one who has plotted against you, she will be staying in your home. And for the prosecution, this will be a very disastrous evidence. Am I right, uncle? Rather, it will seem as if you intentionally committed arson for an insurance claim.
But none of the allegations against Mithai has been proved yet. That is what you said, Siddharth, right?
Mom, darling, there's nothing to be so broken down about. Actually, Revati ma'am is a lawyer. That's why she's trying to explain the workings of the law. But Grandpa, what will happen in this house, I don't assume that will be decided by the law.
Rajiv, Siddheshwar Modak has always made every decision with his heart. There's no need for that, Revati. Please take Mithai to her room.
No, Dad. That can't be. I'm not saying that Mithai is the culprit, but there's no evidence that Mithai is completely innocent either. Dad, not everything can be decided emotionally.
Brother, why are you saying all this? Today the girl has finally been granted bail after so much. Do we have to have this shenanigans now? Let everyone settle a bit at least. Hey, listen. Please take Oppa along and bring some juice for everyone. We all need refreshment. Everybody's parched. We need something to drink.
Yes, that's better. Let them enter first. Come, Mithai, come with me. First seek blessings from the Lord.
No, Mom. That is not possible. And please don't meddle in this. Someone just leave Mithai in Janai. Amaresh, at least you try and understand the situation. I will just go crazy trying to explain to everyone. You all are just so emotional. You shot out a mail to Siddharth, and even he left everything in Singapore to come back. Here, Tosha was saying a huge complaint has been filed against his name. Who knows whether he'll be able to even keep his job?
Brother Ratul. Will you please take me to my mom? Please? I have caused a huge loss. Truly. It's not right for Mithai to stay here. Ma'am is right.
Mithai, please keep quiet. Where is this even coming from? Isn't this your home? Grandpa, Grandma, aunties have waited so long for you and paid so much for you. Do you know that? And you are saying that you will return to your mother's home.
But I am the reason for the loss caused. How can Mithai permit that to happen, Brother Ratul? Just a few moments before Aunt Sulata, Aunt Aparajita, all of them had to hear criticism. And now all of you heard what Ma'am Revati said. And grandfather's grandson will suffer due to Mithai? No. How can Mithai let this happen? No. Grandfather. Grandmother. Please, both of you allow me. Mithai will return to Jonai now. Once all of this is done, if it's ever proved that Mithai is innocent, and if you feel then Mithai will return to this house.
Mithai, what are you saying? What do you think? That even for a moment we thought that you were guilty?
No, Mom. Mom, I don't understand why you come and advise this family time and again. No. They can't hear anything against Mithai. Right. On the other hand, they consider us to be villains. I requested Mithai a number of times that not to inform Sid about the situation. But see, she still informed him. And now she's acting so naive that she didn't destroy Sid's career. She's already destroyed it. Sid left his work midway to return over here. He's so irresponsible. And what will everyone say now? No, Mithai is not to blame. She's innocent. Right? In fact, even Sid will say the same. Sid, have you checked your laptop? Open your laptop and see what the Singapore office has mailed you. I feel embarrassed even as your friend now.
You do one thing, Tess. You don't have to be my friend.
What? Mom, did you see it? Did you see the way he's reacting now?
Finally. Sid has finally got some sense knocked into him.
My lord, what's this chaos? Hey, Appa, what do you think? Even after facing so much humiliation, will Torsha still stand here like this?
She is. Can't you see? Both mother and daughter are still standing here. Absolutely shameless.
Ratul? Will you bring my car, please? Mithai, you stand here. Don't move. I'll just be back.
Sid, just listen.
I understand what he's trying to do. I'll bring his car.
Rajiv, let's go upstairs quickly. Sid is not in the right frame of mind. Let's see what he's doing.
Siddharth!
I don't understand, Dad. Why you always allow this in our house? Don't you understand how much it hurts, Siddharth?
Sri, rather than blaming me always, you can maybe try explaining your brother sometimes as well. What do all of you want? For him to lose everything? And where is Torsha wrong? Mrs. Roy is saying it for our benefit. What harm would it have done? If Mithai had stayed in Chennai for a few days, what harm would it have done? Amaresh, just go and see what your nephew is doing.
Oh my, what is this chain of events that we are going through? I just don't get it.
Siddharth, please listen to me. Grandpa, please try to explain to him.
No, Rajiv, please. No. I've been silent, tolerating everything, but not anymore.
Siddharth, please listen to me.
Grandpa, you won't say anything to me today, please. I'll temporarily shift to a hotel with Mithai. Mithai won't stay in this house any longer. When Mithai is unnecessarily called a criminal, Mithai can't stay in that house at least.
Hey, Sister Shri. What's grandfather's grandson saying?
Aunt, I respect you a lot, seriously. And you needlessly labeled Mithai a criminal, a convict. Aunt, until the time it's proved that Mithai is a criminal, she is innocent by law.
Sid,
Please, Aunt. Sir, with due respect, Mithai is the daughter of my mother's close friend. If my mom were alive today, she would have never tolerated Mithai's insult. The girl who has been staying in our house for so long, the girl who has done so much for everyone for so long, the one who's been striving the whole day for everyone. Even Siddheshwar Modak shop has benefited by her contributions. And you're asking that girl to leave? If Mithai leaves this house today, ethically, I can't stay in this house either.